Hello everyone, welcome to NEET Buddy. Here we are providing you with daily biology MCQs so that you can have little extra practice for the coming NEET exam and gain confidence for the coming NEET exam. We have already finished revising class 11th and class 12th NCERT biology once, and this is the second time revision of class 11th NCERT biology that is going on. And today I'm going to provide you with the MCQs from the chapter that you're seeing on your screens. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 1. Insulin is a protein which plays the role of option A, antibody, option B, hormone, option C, enzyme, or option D, transport agent. Insulin is a protein in nature. What role does it play? The correct answer is option B. Insulin is a hormone. Insulin is secreted by beta cells of islets of Langerhans of pancreas, and deficiency of insulin causes a disease which is diabetes mellitus. Question number 2. Proteins fulfill several functions in living system. An example of protein which acts as a hormone is option A, casein, option B, oxytocin, option C, trypsin, option D, keratin. Which of the following four acts as a hormone? The correct answer is option B, that is oxytocin. Question number 3. Which of the following foodstuffs contains nitrogen? Option A, carbohydrate, option B, fats, option C, proteins, or option D, none of these. Which of the following foodstuffs contain nitrogen? The correct answer is option C, that is proteins contain nitrogen. Question number 4. Thymine is a option A, enzyme, option B, vitamin, option C, pyrimidine, option D, purine. Thymine is a. The correct answer is option C, that is pyrimidine. What are the three pyrimidines? Thymine, uracil, and cytosine. What are the two purines? Adenine and guanine. Question number 5. DNA is present in option A, nucleus only, option B, mitochondria only, option C, chloroplast only, or option D, all of above. DNA is present in. The correct answer is option D, that is all of above. Question number 6. Allurone grains are option A, enzymes, option B, carbohydrates, option C, proteins, or option D, fat. Allurone grains are. The correct answer is option C, that is proteins. Question number 7. Pyrimidine has a option A, single ring, option B, double ring, option C, 3 rings, or option D, none of these. Pyrimidine has a. The correct answer is option A, that is it is made of single ring. Question number 8. Carbohydrates are stored in our body as option A, glucose, option B, glycogen, option C, starch, option D, sucrose. Carbohydrates are stored in our body as. The correct answer is option B, glycogen. Question number 9. ATP is a. Adenosine triphosphate is a. Option A, nucleotide, option B, nucleoside, option C, nucleic acid, or option D, hormone. ATP is a. The correct answer is option A, it is a nucleotide. Question number 10. DNA is not found in option A, chromatin, option B, nucleus, option C, nucleolus, or option D, cytoplasm. DNA is not found in. The correct answer is option C, that is nucleolus does not contain DNA. Question number 11. NADP is a. NADP is a. Option A, coenzyme, option B, part of tRNA, option C, enzyme, or option D, substrate. NADP is a. The correct answer is option A, it is a coenzyme. Question number 12. Which of the following is simplest amino acid? Simplest amino acid. Option A, tyrosine. Option B, asparagine. Option C, glycine. Option D, alanine. Which of the following is the simplest amino acid? The correct answer is option C, that is glycine is the simplest amino acid. Question number 13. Succinic dehydrogenase is inhibited by option A, succinate. Option B, oxalate. Option C, malonate. Or option D, sucrate. Succinic dehydrogenase is inhibited by. The correct answer is option C, that is malonate. Succinic dehydrogenase is an enzyme of citric acid cycle. Succinate is its substrate. Malonate is its competitive inhibitor. Question number 14. Glucose contains option A, 1 CHO group. Option B, 5 OH groups. Option C, 1 primary alcoholic group. Option D, all are correct. Glucose contains. The correct answer is option D, all three are correct. Question number 15. The calorific value of fat, carbohydrates and proteins vary in the order. Calorific value of fat, proteins and carbohydrates. Option A, fat has the highest followed by carbohydrate than the proteins. Option B, fat has the highest followed by proteins then the carbohydrates. Option C, carbohydrates has the greatest calorific value followed by proteins and fats. Or option D, proteins has the highest calorific value followed by carbohydrates, fats. Calorific value of fat, carbohydrate, protein in correct order is given in which of the options? The correct answer is option B, that is fat has the highest calorific value followed by proteins then the carbohydrates. So those are the MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow at this very place, this very time with another set of MCQs from the next chapter of class 11th NCERT Biology. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful. And if you are new out here, do go and click that red button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.